Okay, it was asked how to make a small array of book covers with a fan or something. Going back to my former days of teaching computer-aided drafting, we would call this a polar array. So let's go ahead and jump in here. I'm just going to create a blank newsletter. Of course, you can use any other template you want, but since I'm just doing a demo here, that's what I'm going to do. Now, you could take and put in lines and rotate them specific number of degrees and keep doing that, but I'm too lazy for that. So I'm going to look for something that is already arrayed for me. So I'm going to come into Elements here, and I'm going to search for color wheels. You can see that I already did, and there's a whole bunch of them here. And it doesn't really matter which one you pick because we're going to end up deleting it later, but different color wheels have different numbers of sample colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this one, bring it into my design, and now I'm going to type in C for circle. And let's see, let's make that circle, we want it to stand out. Let's just make it white. There we go. And you can size this any way you want. And then as you move it, you can get it aligned so that it's aligned to the middle of the page. Now, instead of bringing in book covers, I'm going to just type in R for rectangle. I have to deselect things first. R for rectangle, I'm going to kind of make it the shape of a book. You can use your book images, of course, but again, this is just a demo. And I'm going to take and grab this rectangle and just get it centered right up there. Then I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it. And now we have to do just a little bit of math. Here we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different, a total of 12. And 12 goes into 360, 30 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate this 30 degrees. And then I'm going to place it on the edge of the white circle, just like that. And I'm going to repeat that process. I'll go ahead and make another one, and this time I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees again and just place it at the intersection right along there. Let's see, I'm just going to change the colors here quickly so that you can see. And so depending upon how you want your books stacked, you can take these and go ahead and just send it backwards. One more thing you can do if you want to add some text down underneath here is just go ahead and add a text element. So I'll just add a subheading, and that's what it's going to say. So I'm going to select that and then go to Effects and choose Curve Text, and it changes it to 180 degrees for me. Let's zoom in here so we can see what we're doing. So as I start to move it, see that little circle that shows up there? It's the center of the text, and so you can get it centered perfectly like that, and then you can scale it up a little bit bigger if you want to, and then when you move it again, you can get it positioned right in the center of the document. Come on, there we go. So that's what I would do. And then of course, when you're done, you can just go ahead and delete these elements and then export this or copy and paste it into your newsletter, and you should be good to go.